How is your relationship with Tin?
I treat her like my own daughter. Siguro the only difference is, if I would tell Danica, Danica, ba't ganyan suot mo? Bakit ganyan? Ipupunta lang tayo sa ganito, di ba? I can openly say, kay Tin, medyo, hindi ko pwedeng pakialaman yung outfit niya. O, tipong gano'n. Parang, Danica, ano to? May mga kalat dyan. Ano yan? Dapat maayos yung bahay. Ganyan.
Okay.
Hindi ko pwedeng gawin yun kay Tin. Unang-una, hindi naman siya makalat. But, parang there are certain boundaries na, syempre, hindi ko siya anak. So, parang kuidaw. Like, if I notice something, I will speak to my son. Not to Tin.
And that's the right way.
Kunyari, I'll tell my son, napansin ko parang ganito. Hindi ba dapat ganito? Question lang. Why? And then he'll explain. Pero I don't...
go straight to her.
Yes. And like, I wouldn't also go to Mark diretso. Kung may napapansin ako, sasabihin ko lang, Danica, like when you were growing up, if your titas or titas came to the house, or lolo, lola, the kids would come down and kiss, lolo, lola. So where are the kids? How come they haven't come down to greet their mama D? Sasabihin ko kay Danica yun, pero hindi ko sasabihin kay Mark.
Por respeto. Ang ganda.